Have you heard about ACE? ACE is the new account servicing application that will be used by the teams in American Fund Service Group, AFSG, to service our investors and advisors for years to come. ACE is a strategic investment in our business and our associates that provides a compelling economic advantage and will allow us to continue to offer service that is second to none in our industry. So why ACE? And why now? Over 20 years ago, not only did we know that we needed the best associates, we knew we needed to provide them with the best tools possible to reach our goal of superior service. At that time, we introduced Share, an account servicing application unique to Capital Group. Over those 20 years, Share has lived up to its name as the system to help associates respond effectively to our clients. Share was introduced as a way to take the account data that is housed at DST and present it in a way that would reduce errors and improve the quality of our work. It gave us the ability to emphasize the things that are most important to us with regard to how we service our shareholders and set our service apart from others in the industry. The combination of our talented associate teams and the unique capabilities of Share have enabled us to consistently deliver superior service. Groups including Shareholder Services, Host, and Capital Bank and Trust are able to service our investors and advisors by processing financial transactions such as investments and redemptions using business rules and logic that reduce the risk of errors, maintaining account and shareholder information in a way that ensures accuracy, answering inquiries from investors and advisors in a proactive way. After 20 years, the technology used for Share is nearing end of life, and many new technologies have surfaced. Looking at these new technologies, it became clear that we needed to find a successor to Share that would allow us to continue offering service that is second to none. After extensive research, the decision was made to design and build in-house a new proprietary replacement for Share that would assist us in advancing the client experience. That application is ACE. Once the decision to build a new system was made, we assembled the Future Servicing Desktop Team, or FSD. This team began by reviewing the current state of Share, identifying its strengths and weaknesses. They also looked at the current state of the business, considering how service has changed since Share was introduced. Thinking about how we interact with DST, they needed to consider foundational changes to the technology, such as server architecture, data management, all the way down to the programming language used for the application. This was done with the consideration of our current business processes, the constraints of other systems we rely on, and thinking about capabilities that may be needed in the future. Over a period of 2 years, the FSD team created a plan to design, build, and implement the ACE application. This plan included estimates on resources, costs, business impacts, and change management. In early 2016, a team of over 60 developers, analysts, and business representatives began work on the production version of ACE. From the beginning, the focus for ACE was to design a tool that meets the needs of our service teams and allows us to advance the service experience. With this in mind, associates from all 4 service centers and across all AFSG lines of business were invited to be part of the ACE team. These associates actively participate in group design sessions, submit ideas for future development, and interact with current designs and test builds so they can share their perspectives and recommendations. This team will act as early adopters of ACE releases before they are made available to others. These associates will also be there to share information and answer questions for their local teams. In addition to focusing on the needs of the service teams, ACE is also being designed using an agile, iterative approach, which allows us to design and build the application in small increments. This allows us to get it out to select groups of users faster and solicit their input early and continuously in order to build a product that meets the needs of the business and reflects the user and the service experience. It also means that as new functionality is added to ACE, associates will be able to begin using it and not have to wait for the entire application to be built. ACE development will continue over the next couple of years. During that time, there will be a focused effort to introduce ACE to AFSG users. The project team will be posting updates on the ACE timeline, training plan, upcoming functionality, and more on the ACE Experience website. We encourage you to subscribe to the site so you can receive notifications when new information is added, or visit the site at any time to see the latest information. We also welcome suggestions and encourage you to reach out to your local ACE team members with any questions or thoughts. A list of your local ACE team contacts for each service center is available on the ACE Experience website. We look forward to sharing ACE with you.